Who's the process, right?
So this is Carl, and he's helping us make some wadding. Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Any more? Mark?
Hey, Mark.
Not for the moment, because here these hey,
Hi.
you got a fuzzy microphone.
What you got going on over here?
Wadding, my least favorite thing in the world, besides taking wads off.
So this is Anna, and she's prepping her wads for her pots.
You don't want me to touch it.
We've brought all the pots out to sunbathe, and we've applied the wadding on the bottom. I'm going to turn this over.
I like them all lined up. This is a good picture, Nancy.
Yeah, it's cold.
Okay, so we're loading the final stack, working with half shelves because we're desperate, but fellas, you're gonna witness a miracle.
There we go.
Ready?
Yeah.
I don't know if they'll be able to see it. Wait a minute. What are you doing? What are you madmen doing?
We just
only thing
lifted a shelf.
We don't have wads. Do you think it's okay?
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's fine.
Did you just do what I think
don't
you did?
Well, you know what, honey? Lift it up again and I'll put the wads in. We could do this all night. We could do this all night. Are you kidding me?
It just occurred to me what you guys just did logistically. I'm like, wait
Where's
a minute.
Mark when you need him?
Slacking off somewhere.
He's slacking.
We're not gonna be able to even see what we put up there, but it's all right. Here, actually, I can.
You can do it. Yeah. She's putting the wads in.
I think that one needs to inch in a bit,
Okay.
if possible.
What do you just put a couple shelves where the fire comes out of it?
Well, in
High enough.
Chester Springs, they have like an extra chamber
Yeah.
between the
Yeah.
chimney and the kiln.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We fucking
Alright.
We did it.
I tried to get it as best I could.
You did a great job.
I hope I got what you
can't-
want.
Okay, great. Go in. And what are you gonna put on the front? Can you fit pieces in there?
Yeah, sure.
Hope so.
Okay. This edge is back, and this is where the wood comes
7 o'clock on Friday night. Here we are bricking up the door. So this is Elliot and Anna. We have to fit the bricks that are cut to size of the arch. Okay, now kick it over. No, I'm kidding. Not everybody can be lucky. Like me, running with a lid and then it dropped. That's probably good.
That'll do.
So we have Megan here splitting some pine for us. like a lumberjack. Pat is here recording all of the numbers. So we have recordings for the temperatures for the front, middle, and the back, and we're going at 200 an hour. It's currently 1 p.m. and this is Elliot.
With the affection. Hello. I'm providing all the good looks.
So typically you want to stoke this about every 10 minutes, maybe more at the beginning.
Every 10 minutes?
Roughly is the guideline.
Good to know.
Go off the top.
1, 2.
We weren't.
Grab them all, grab them all. 1, 2, 3.
Onto the back on that one. You got one more.
We've got this guy over here knocking that down. I think we're ready to kick some ass.
Let's do this.
You good?
I can't. Okay.
Okay. Woo!
Smoke it away.
Yeah, you need a little
Pokey poke.
pokey poke.
What's the temperature in here?
1600 degrees.
Farhrenheit?
Yes. Still pretty low. I'm gonna move it up to 2300.
Stirring up some
Yeah.
embers.
Good enough?
Yep.
Very nice.
Yummy. Okay, it's 7:15 in the morning, and we are very close in temperature, evening out the kiln. This is Nancy and Peyton, our hard worker morning bees.
With fog glasses.
With fogged glasses.
We can toss this one in the pit.
So we've already used up 2 full pallets of wood. So this is all the pine. That is all the oak. Look at this guy over here, stealing all the bark.
Yep. Burn that bark. That's where all the good minerals are. Gotta give the kiln its vitamins and minerals.
You ready?
Yep. Yeah, but she fumbled. It all falls down.
Yeah.
Joink.
Play some oak on top of there.
Peyton Manning over here. Is he a football player? I don't even know.
Yeah, he's a
Oh,
quarterback.
okay, all right.
More oak.
I don't know this
With your little tail.
Where's Fred? Where's Freddie? Is it moving? I guess it's dead. Okay, it is.
I forgot about that guy.
Oh, wow.
Hey. Okay, give me a longer one.
Longer.
Here, take it.
Maybe this. Here's a bar.
How the bark?
Hello. Hi.
This is crazy. Oh yeah, I guess inside.
Ah, yes. Oh my God.
Always make sure if there's any pieces are stuck together. Ta-da. Well,
Bare outside.
They should be.
your knees in the... Yeah. You don't bend like these.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's very nice. You could be right. You have to line stuff off. So what are you doing for Bob's birthday? Well, that doesn't always happen.
I don't know if you noticed that if you use these high iron clay mixes with, it probably has Shirley Sheeno over, you get these incredible effects with the iron affecting that white Sheeno. And then depending on how it comes out, if you still have spots that are super rough, you can go to like 200 grit and try to get that one spot and then go back to 400. Or you might want to go down to 800 after that, 1600. The foot, you know, you do a little grinding with a Dremel, and again, you just sand the whole foot gently.
Yeah, I feel right. Which is not bad. Yeah, and those are usually in the front of the kiln where you're getting heavy
I mean,
this
even just
one,
the bugs that I saw that one time.
But yeah,
If I hold it, it feels damn comfortable, right?
Fits right in your hand.
Yeah.
My
Like, crazing is crazy. Let me see this. Let me see them thickums. Let me see that.
Also, there's these tiny little bubbles in the darkest areas that look so cool. And then over here, that sparkles.
Sparky.
That whole splash just catches the sun.